Alright, we are back with the final part of lawnmower puzzle, I think. Hang on. Yeah, lawnmower puzzle. We're up to the last bit. This is part 5. Let's check. That's part 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Hang on. We did 10 per thing, yeah. So that's part 4, that was part 5, so this is part 6 maybe. Either way, the final part, the big old grand finale, if you will. Ain't that crazy? Don't like what I did there. Yikes. That is all I have to say. Thank you. Let's see. Nope, just here. And then we go like this. Here we go, maybe. I'm gonna say this is it. Yep, we got it. Nice. Very good. I'm pleased with those results. Here we go. Thought we were gonna need that, that's all. We're going this way. Perfect. Let's keep on going. That seemed stupid of me, in hindsight. Okay, we're going this way now. Didn't want to do that. Okay. No, not that either. Okay, we're going here now. Would you look at that? Isn't that crazy? This is the hard level. Each 10 usually has one level that stumps me and keeps us here for ages. I think this is it. Okay. No, why would you do that, silly? That's not what we wanted at all. You bum. That was the best roast in history. Anyway. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Okay, yet again, that ain't it. Chief. No, why would you do that? I don't like how it goes all the way back. It would be better if it just made like a dun-dun sound at me or something. Okay, I don't know. This is perplexing, to say the least. Okay, so that's an endpoint, I guess, that I've made. Accidentally, of course. As I'm not 100% sure if what I'm doing is right at all. Oh no, that's another dead end. See, and that's gonna leave spots, which we can't have. Aren't allowed to have spots. Spots are bad. Don't know what I was thinking there, but it wasn't right, so gonna have to go again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Anyway, you get the point. This is gonna take us a while, I believe. That wouldn't work. Because why would it? It has no reason to cooperate. What was that? There we go. No, that won't work. We can't have dead ends, but this level seems to just require them. And a lot of them at that. No. That won't work, because then we have another spot that we can't get to. Which is not okay. I'm not accepting spots that we can't get to. Because it doesn't work. So gonna restart again and 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 again until we get this. No, why would you go all the way back to the beginning? I don't want to go back to the beginning. Okay, let's try something slightly different. This is getting progressively more and more irritating as we progress, which I don't appreciate, quite frankly. Here we go, we got it. That took a very long time, but it's to be expected. There's always one or two levels that take up the majority of the video duration, I suppose. That's fine, it happens. That was cheeky, game. That was real cheeky what you did there. Okay, there we go. That one was quick. Let's keep going. Keep the pain train a-rollin'. Oh, don't like that. I'm giving myself dead ends. Again. Dead ends are my nemesis. Let's see. Not sure why I did that. No, why is this not working for me? Let's try this little cheeky approach. That gets half of the level dealt with. Too many dead ends there. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, we'll try our spirally method of just going around the outside edge, filling up inconvenient looking spots as we go. Why? Stop it. I did not go that far back. That was very mean. I restart to reset the timer, by the way, when it does that. Just to make this a little bit more doable for me. It gives us a chance to get hold of the stars as well. Stars are great in this. There we go, we did it. We were on the right track, but I went a single step too far and was set back to pretty much the beginning. Not what I did there, but let's try that again. Not happy with that. Let's just go up and around. Don't like that. Okay, let's keep going. There we go. We are powering through these as per usual. After this, we'll finish off. Well, I think maybe tomorrow's video we'll finish off Poly Roller. Then we'll get started on some new games, because there's quite a few now. We've left it for long enough, to the extent where new stuff's actually started coming out again. So that's great. That's... I don't know what I'm doing with this level though. Yeah, so that's a thing that could potentially be happening very soon. You see what I see? Because I don't like what I see. Oh no. Come on, game. Let's be friends. Don't be messing around like that, or you'll lose a limb. Okay, let's go up here. Do a little cheeky bit of this. This looks promising if it would cooperate. Thank you. There we go. Next level. This is the last level that we have. Not have to do, just have the last one that exists. All other levels have been destroyed in natural disasters. Don't like what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. I'm not happy with any of these routes. That felt close, but then it lied to me. Let's try going up and around, I suppose. There we go, we did it. And that is all of the levels of Lawnmower Puzzle. I think that was maybe part 5 or 6. Either way, see it in the title, pretty sure it's 6, maybe. Anyway, if you liked it, like it. If you have any suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a skedaddle. See ya.